Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So, this is part 2 of the Dollar General clearance event. A whole lot of diapers, a whole lot of UPCs, and a whole lot of cheapies, and food. Now, if you are just dumbfounded and you're like, well, what is this all about? Please watch this video where I break down the entire clearance event that's going to be taking place June 9th, 10th, and 11th. All the details and like the mechanics of the math and how this works. If you're really new to this, check out this video. It'll be linked at the very end on how to figure that out and navigate this. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the Loves diapers. Certain boxes have been appearing at the front of the store. And we're going to look at them at a 50% off store. Obviously, if you have a 70% off store, you're going to be getting these boxes for like, I don't know, like I think about $2. I did the math. But these are the two different sizes that I was seeing, a 4 and a 3. And then I just did a quick matchup and then show you guys the digital coupons. Grabbing one of these boxes on Friday, they're going to be ringing up for $7.87. Subtracting that gorgeous $3 digital coupon, you are paying $4.87 for a box of diapers. That's usually upwards of, $23. Another clearance item is the Pampers Baby Dry. So these are going to be $5.50 starting on Friday. We have a $2 digital coupon, dropping this guy down to $3.50, and it's a size 3. I know a lot of you resell diapers, so this would be just absolutely fantastic to get them at this price. Or if you're stocking up for a new baby, also really fantastic. We have the Ninjamas for $5.75. Unfortunately, no digital coupon to go with. Definitely check coupons.com and then photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app for extra points as well for all these diapers. And then we have this little toothbrush and paste for $2.02. Perfect thing for kids. This massive bag of Iams dog food for $16.62 at 50% off. No digital coupons to go with, but it is a very large bag of dog food, 22 pounds, and this is a quality brand pet food. So this is really interesting to see this in the clearance section. Moving it along, we also have this 3-pack of the shrimp ramen, and they come individually in the cups. My photo for the a barcode was so awful that I actually had to type it out, guys. It was just like a blurry mess. But we're talking 82 cents for this 3-pack for these ramen noodles. And we have a Skinny Pop popcorn. So it's just the popcorn for $1.55. We have these flips for $1.27. Just nice little snacks for the road. And now we have some juices as well, which are the Dollar General brand. They're like $1.50 or $1.27 each. The preserves are also $1.50, and our chips are 75 cents. And then just moving it along to other matchups, we have the Resolve that I started finding for $1.77 starting on Friday. We have a $1 digital coupon, so 77 cents for this rug cleaner. That is a really, really good deal. And then I also saw a couple of these Lubriderm lotions. They were like in the last October one, floating around in March, and then they started appearing again. $3.35 at 50% off. We have a $2 digital, so that's $1.55 for this magic. Dollar Shave Club for $4.05. We have a $3.50 digital, dropping this gorgeous razor down to 55 cents. I mean, that is a perfect Father's Day gift if I've ever seen or heard of one. Now we're going to be looking for 2 of these Dove hand soaps for $3.75. 2 off 2 instant savings, and then a $1 digital coupon makes it 75 cents for the 2. To answer a quick question, if you wanted to grab 4, that 2 off 2 instant savings will be attached to both. You don't have to load a coupon, it's just automatic savings. The Schwarzkopf hair dye, selected ones are $4.50, subtracting a $4 digital. I believe that expires on Friday, so use it quickly. You're paying 50 cents for this hair dye. This might be harder to track down, but 2 of these Mr. Clean sheets for $2.40, subtracting that 4 off 2 digital coupon. At updated stores, it's going to be free. At non-updated stores, it's free and $1.60 of overage. I believe this 4 off 2 digital is no longer available to load, so if you loaded it, there's a deal. And the Kids Centrum vitamins, we have a $1.25 digital. It drops this guy down to $1.62. Airwick is $2.25. We have $1.50 digital, dropping this little oil down to 75 cents. Considering these are like really expensive, this is a very good deal. And if you have sensitive teeth, this is a good deal for the Sensodyne. Grabbing one of them for $2.25, subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying 75 cents. Linked right here is the first video on this series of 50% off. I would definitely go on Friday to catch some of these deals. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.